Demystifying, assure, grasping its true essence. Hello there, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving deep into the world of English phrases to understand a commonly used word that sometimes creates confusion: assure. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use assure confidently in your conversations. Assure is a verb, and it primarily means to inform someone positively or confidently to dispel any doubts they might have. In simpler terms, when you assure someone, you're trying to make them feel certain or confident about a particular situation or fact. Example: Mary was nervous about the presentation, but John assured her that it would go well. Understanding a word's definition is just the beginning. Let's now dive into some examples to see how assure fits seamlessly into sentences. 1. Reassurance. I assure you, everything is under control. 2. Promise. He assured her that he would return the book by tomorrow. 3. Guarantee. The manufacturer assures that this product will last for at least 2 years. While assure might seem straightforward, many learners get it mixed up with similar-sounding words like ensure and insure. Let's clarify. Assure, to make someone feel certain or confident. She assured him of her support. Insure, to make certain that something will occur. He took steps to ensure the safety of his documents. Insure refers to taking out insurance. She decided to insure her new car against theft. Remember, while all three words deal with certainty in some form, their usage differs based on context. And there you have it. By now, you should feel more confident using the word assure in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, go out there, start assuring, and keep refining your language skills. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.